how to allow or block music or audio while recording with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, so click on this four dot icon. So after click on this four dot icon, click on settings icon. Now here, so scroll down and click on advanced video option. So after click on advanced video option, scroll down to end and you will see audio playback is here. So if you want to allow music or audio while recording with camera, so turn on this button. So you will see music or audio while recording in camera is allowed. So if you want to block music or audio while recording with the camera, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see block music or audio while recording with camera is block. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can allow or block music or audio while recording with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.